19 is the right internal carotid artery, specifically the lateral or the C3 segment. And 20, of course, contralaterally is the left internal carotid artery, also the lateral segment, which is the C3 segment. Moving superiorly still, we encounter the intercavernous sinus, and posterior to it, number 22, is the basilar artery. This is the basilar artery. 23, this is the left sigmoid sinus, and this of course is the right sigmoid sinus. 24 here is the right ophthalmic artery. 25, nearing the midline, is the left internal carotid artery, specifically the cavernous or C4 segment. On the right, this is the right internal carotid artery, also cavernous or C4 segment.